Today, the Ministry of Health and Welfare launched a new online record-keeping system for hospitals and clinics. This is part of their policy to localize healthcare.
And the hope is that the online record sharing that will allow patients to replace trips to crowded hospitals with appointments at local clinics. Premier Lai Ching-te was at the launch, where reporters also pressed him to address the low salaries of medical staff.
The National Health Insurance Administration has officially launched its new online platform for sharing patients' records. From now on, doctors at community clinics will be able to use this system to consult the patient's records from big hospitals. Patients can have appointments and pick up medicines in small clinics with their hospital records available.
People might look at this from the perspective of reducing waste. Of course, there is an element of that, but that's not the most important thing. The important thing is to help patients avoid repeat appointments or redundant trips to hospitals, because every time they go back for an appointment, it wastes precious treatment time. This will improve patient safety.
Minister of Health and Welfare Chen Shih-chung hopes the online record-keeping system will help divert patients away from big hospitals, reducing the burden on overworked and underpaid hospital staff. Reporters at the record system's launch also grabbed their chance to press the Premier on the hot topic of the day, low wages.
When we examine the low pay problem, we find that starting salaries are different in different sectors. And even within one sector, there can be very large discrepancies in pay. So this being the case, it's very hard to apply one standard solution. The most effective way to improve low wages is to encourage investment. Increased investment gives the market more momentum, which naturally leads to more job opportunities.
Today, Premier Lai Ching-te emphasized workers' freedom to pick and choose in a market full of employment opportunities, which would theoretically force bosses to raise wages to attract the best candidates.